Hey, do you know what is a palindrome? I agree that it's a very basic question, but still, it's a most asked interview question for the beginners as well as the experienced developers. If I am moving from the forward direction as well as from the backward direction, if the text remains the same, then it is a palindrome. If I take an example, MADAM, it is a palindrome because if I am moving from the forward direction or from the backward direction, the text remains same, that is madam. So it is a palindrome. If I am taking another example, word, this is not a palindrome because the text is different when I am moving from forward direction and the backward direction. How to code this? First, we will divide this word into two parts. Now we will move from forward direction as well as from the backward direction. Now we will compare each word in the forward direction as well as the backward direction. Initially it is M and M. So we need to move forward. Now it is A and A. Now we need to move forward as there is no characters left. We can say that it is a palindrome. Now we will take another example called as word. First we will divide this into two parts. Now we will compare the first character and the last character. As these both are different, we will stop this and we will return that it is not a palindrome. Now initially I will find out the length of this string. Why I have taken this for loop here? Because initially we need to divide it into two parts. Now we need to loop through this until it reaches the midpoint, right? So what is the midpoint here? That is length of this divided by 2. Now what I am doing here, I have taken a if condition where I am checking the first character with the last character. So if you take this, this is the first character, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the last character. What is the length of the string? That is 5. So 5 minus 1 will be 4 here. So the last character with the first character. If these both are not equal, it will move inside this loop and it will return that it is not a palindrome and it will stop the execution there. But in our case, MADAM is a palindrome. So where we need to return that it's a palindrome? In our case, it will not go inside this if condition. So it will come out of this for loop and here we can say that it is a palindrome. So please follow my channel if you want to learn similar question like this.